Hi guys, so good morning and welcome to Laurent Answer Show. So I'm here with
Virgil Rotoni.
from Santa Mesa.
Santa
No?
Mesa.
So may question siya. Ano yung question mo?
Yung question ko is about stock market. Ano yung mga magandang tip o kaya number one tip para sa success sa stock market?
Okay, no? So may mga basic tayong tip no for stock market investing success. No? First, syempre, you have to be consistent. So kailangan consistent yung pag-i-invest mo. Pangalawa, kailangan you have to start.
Yes.
Kasi majority dyan, alam nila yung that you could grow your money through stock market but hindi sila nag-i-start. So you have to start and then you have to be consistent. So again, it doesn't matter how much you invest, no? Importante, you start and you do it consistently. Third, syempre, you have to grow it through time. So kailangan, kung di ka naman active trader, kung di ka naman alam kung paano mag-trade, so kailangan hintayin mo mag-grow. So to maximize the power of compounding. Okay? So first, you have to start. Second, you have to do it consistently, monthly, auto-debit kung pwede. Third is you have to grow it through time. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Thank you.